It's been 19 years. Still no response. Nexomite has not heard from the guy he roasted in quite a while, actually. It's been a while. I mean, like, you know, like,
what's your problem here? Don't know how to roast? Do you want me to make a tutorial for you? Just reply. At least let me know if you're actually paying attention in this freaking relationship, dude. You know, if you don't freaking make a reply video within 24 hours, I'm gonna freaking go around your house and make one for you.
Nexomite. He's replied.
He's responded. Okay guys, this is a really exciting moment, alright? Just stay calm. Let's watch the video. What's up guys, this is Cazeinsane and today we're gonna react to Nexomite's roast on me. It's gonna be pretty fun guys, don't forget to hit the like. Remember, I've always wanted to be a YouTuber guys. Pretty big deal for me, but I've got to react to this. Excuse me. Oh sorry. I have one of them weird flashes, but okay, let's watch this video.
on this channel, YouTube will take my video down for misuse of terms and service.
Oh, what a cunt. I hope he gets Acer, bitch. Nexomite, I'm calling you out right now. I hope you get fucking AIDS, you piece of shit. You make fun of me. What's wrong with me? Okay, guys, I don't like it when he talks about AIDS like that. I had to walk away from it. The video is still going on, so let's watch and see what he has to say, little bitch.
Yo, Nexomite! Don't appreciate being called out like that, bro. No, but that won't curse. Get it, bitch. What's going on, guys? My name is Cazeinsane, and I hate it when I'm being baited. Nexomite, I don't like the way you make your videos full of shit and fucking cringe. Want attention, wanna be PewDiePie? Just sit the fuck down and I'll tell you why. You haven't climbed the wall of dicks, didn't compare to a million kids, your videos are shit, you refreshed every clip. Quit for 6 months, you want that chappy? Got a tiny whiny bit hard, did it now? I hope you get it and I'll be happy. Just remember my name is Snuffy. Nexomite's a bitch. Nexomite's a bitch. Nexomite's a bitch. Nexomite's a bitch. You're implying that your channel's not dying. Just remember, you're a sellout. Whining. You're unable to edit as well as me. I put effort into my yearly vid. Your edits are as simple as a newborn kid. Let me wipe your spit. You keep changing your logo. That's pretty burger. I'm pretty sure you're cat. A homo. I'd appreciate it if you get oh no boom. Get me some, yo. Nexomite's a bitch. Nexomite's a bitch. Nexomite's a bitch. You may have more subs than me, but at least I don't read. I hope you get AIDS. Your channel and yourself are just pathetic. Boom. Just remember, my cat's not my fetish. That's right, guys. It just freaking destroyed Nexomite, guys. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, suck my dick, and I'll be right back with another video in another year. So fuck off.
that's it. That's it. Well, I quit YouTube. Quit YouTube, guys. See you in another 6 months. It's been really nice. What the fuck? Wow, that's fucking great acting now.
Pretty proud with a 6-0 win, taking over YouTube, trying to get like him. Bro, fist to the face, can you keep it with a pace? And I'm never gonna switch.
But can you do this?
How's it going, bro? Gotta get it like this when you wanna hit a flow. Grinding like hoping I'll pop a top and never stop. Run up in the city and I'm never gonna flop. Tell me when to go, I'm like whenever. I'm done with this, pass the mic to Edgar.